Hello, my name is Jim Hayes, Director of Manufacturing for Allredi. Today we'd like to talk a little bit about our L Series, Marco branded, powered by Allredi blast machines in both 0.35 cubic feet and 1.5 cubic feet. Both of these are favorites of the monument industry. Some of the key features are the precision abrasive control on the valves, dished head for easy abrasive fill, integrated moisture separator and pressure gauge, and then the extended handles that allow them to be laid on their back for easy transportation.